Hello and welcome to this basic user training video about phones. In this video, we'll get you started by providing you with a basic overview, exploring how to view and manage the devices registered to your account. To manage the devices registered to your account, click on the phone icon in the navigation bar at the top of the portal. In the Phones tab, you'll see a list of all devices registered to your account. A green icon next to a device means it is registered and can send and receive calls. A red X icon indicates the device is unregistered. Devices may be unregistered if they are soft phones that are currently turned off or if there are network connectivity issues. To the right of the status indicator, you'll find detailed information about each device, including the device name, type, manufacturer, and model number. You'll also see the IP address from which the device is registering, the MAC address, and the line number with the associated extension. So there we have it. Thank you for watching this basic user training video about phones, and we'll see you next time.